You tell me, what you consider the highest point in a year career?
Yeah, man, them time, the member say, when I come out on the red carpet and Jennifer Lopez run me down and drop on me, I have to take her up, man. I say, oh my God, elephant energy God. I mean, this stuff. I just make me know, say, okay, dance all.
What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Friday.
Shizzle.
Now, this week, who there?
Shizzle.
The energy god,
There's
Elephant.
nothing. Image is everything.
Ellie, welcome to Next Friday, my boss. Yeah, man.
And we have to right now, big up the whole Next Friday team and everybody were in tune and I watch, because you don't know, Next Friday, you know the thing going on. Thursday is nothing. And when you see me there, I drink this. Image, feel, we just say, we're not going to the red or yellow here today, we are going to a different image. Because remember how we say image, right? So, on a skimmage, yo, chain up. Shizzle.
That's the word, my brother.
Listen.
So, as you talk about image, my boss,
Yeah.
talk to me about that look now.
Yeah, because the yellow here they said we know. But, you know, me just feel for go now, a Gucci wrap the head today and you understand where they have studio work and, you know, a portion to work I go on. So, me just feel for just give them a different image to the card. They don't know. That's how the chat go. Shizzle.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Boy, how you understand the little star will blow out
Why,
there,
I
boy?
want to tell you, say, me did good enough because you don't know up on the hill good and safe, but everything I run come on the flat.
Yeah.
But we still are, you know, I said, boy, the people on the flat, we see a whole heap of car stuck. Whole heap, I see some people if you help a lady out of a car and, you know, enough look up, I see a wall drop down at the apartment, you know,
Yeah,
and things
man.
so.
Really
Me alright and I still a wish all the best for who never alright and who alright same way because they don't know Jamaica one island and one big family, you know. The whole of we
Really,
so.
man.
We still have to make sure say everybody alright. We call, check up on the kids, them check up our friend them. Whole heap of people, a lot of area didn't have light, so you know enough people
Right.
phoned it down and you know, boy me I watch cable and if I see my cable chip out, me not see it come back all now, so I have to go call and find out what going on with that. So, you know, but differently, we have life and we have to give God thanks for health and strength and, you know, him bring we through it, so give thanks.
For real, sir. But Ellie, we see say the work not stop, none at all.
Can't
virgin.
stop, man. You're mad. Remember, energy God, you know, it can't stop. Remember, the world big in our music. Music not stop on nobody yard, and them say music alone shall live. So, the music
Yeah.
will stop unless you stop. So, if you want to stop them time, then the music will stop. But energy God not stop. So, the music will never stop.
For real, man.
Yeah, man, straight.
Well, we don't know, you know. We see the new tune way out there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Rifle what?
Yeah, man. Rifle. Hey, listen me now, man. Yo.
Maybe learn a dance,
I tell
you know.
you, it around the whole place right
Ellie,
now.
have to go
Rifle
show
walk,
with a
man.
dance there today.
Rifle walk. Yo, you don't know, say, all of the dance them. You know, say, right, just them there. We have a show on the rifle walk. And trust me, we just do the video feed. Just check out YouTube, check out my Vivo. You understand? And just go online and type in Elephant Man Rifle Walk. You see it pop up. The song is out. And Apilus. And, you know, yeah. So you have a whole heap of new song. Whole heap of new song. A lot of new song. For you go in and type in Elephant Man for my Vivo. You're going to see everything on my YouTube channel.
Yeah,
everything there. All of the work we are putting, you know?
Straight. But you know, say, Ellie, you're one of the man them where you always have something for the dancer. Them. You always have a new dance song.
Yeah.
From, yo, Lagan, Pon the River, yo, all of them.
Been a do it.
We
I wait
can't
them
name
even now
them.
watch Fat Joe do a sitcom and them a ask him when him get lean back. And the man even afraid for just say, yo, I get this from Elephant. The man I say, I saw the Jamaicans were doing come on bro, you take my thing, man.
The man who
Come
want
on,
to
man."
say Ellie.
Yeah. And you know, the man I be a laugh when they see when the people them send me because big up to the fan, them send me for my Instagram and I see it, me a laugh, you know. The
Yeah.
man got Jamaican. Of course, the Jamaican them a do it because we are bringing it to the people,
Yeah,
man.
man.
The dancer them a build it. But Elephant Man make uno know it. Elephant Man make Khalid know it. Elephant Man bring it to uno. You
Right.
understand? But at the end of the day, music and you don't know, so it go more time, you know. Father God give you the energy for you share it and spread it. So at
Yeah.
Jamaica, we say talent, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Always I bring it. Always.
But as you mentioned Fat Joe though, I know say you're one of the dancehall artists them where when you talk about crossover, a year early in that.
Millions of yo, look.
Years
yo,
back, a
yo,
year early in that.
This morning I wake up And I see some white kids from Canada,
Yeah.
about 20 of them tag me. And which song them tag me with? I can feel it new, I'm looking, I can see it in my skin. Oh, I wonder what will happen if I... Me and Cat the Luna, man.
Yes, man.
Wind up,
Yeah.
wind up, wind up. Wow, yeah, my dear. Wind up your body. Remember, #1 Billboard, #1 everywhere. And, you know, me feel so good for know say the music reach that state the way. Me not tell you about a pair of white kids, you understand?
I jump to that.
And it's like, about 20 of them tag me. And when I see it, I feel so good for know say them reach out and tag just for the music. And them I say, yo, Elephant, thanks to the music. You know,
Yeah,
and me I
man.
say, yeah, this is what dancehall is about. We do all these type of music, all genres of music, and spread it and make it reach out there. And when you say dance in Jamaica, when you say dance in Jamaica, the thing start from. So Billboard, it, trust me, if me if you sit down and say name out the hit them, it not go pretty. Me and R. Kelly, me and Janet Jackson, me and Busta them, me and Ying Yang Twin, me and Daddy Yankee, me and Mariah Carey, me and Will Smith, me and Little
Done. the list no normal.
It's the devil. So, you know, Puff Daddy them the whole 9 yards. So, you know, Rihanna, Chris Brown, the list not normal. So we have to give thanks because of dancehall. And that alone does show me say dancehall is a genre where and it's something where you have to ramp with.
Right.
You understand? Because the people them love dancehall. And remember we come make them say at 97. At 97 used to say at 97 for hip hop and R&B.
Right.
When Pon the River forward out and signal the plane,
Yeah, man.
them change it to at 97 for hip hop, reggae and R&B. Them take off back the reggae now. But we're going back there again.
Them need back there, you know.
Yeah.
Them
You
need that for the
understand?
energy.
You understand? So right now, that's why we are putting them reggae because at the end of the day, we want the thing them connect to the people. And we not talk just from Yasta to Cuba. Or from here to cross the water there, so worldwide because of the music that we used to. We like when dancehall it in all different genres. We can the hear so and dancehall. That song ya run Puerto Rico, it a run the whole of New York, it a take over. It just reach on a pop station where we don't have nothing to do with it. It's just the music, the power of the music.
Right.
And that me love, bro. You see me?
For real,
Yeah,
son.
man. Some of them music there, dancehall need it right now. You have enough song a go on good and the thing a go on good, but we need some music for go some places and kick out some teeth
Yeah,
and
man.
some chart and do something. Yeah, man. Straight. Some pop people. Like, one time you say, Beyonce, what song you listening to right now? And she said, oh, I'm listening to Dirty Wine right now for the summer. Dirty Wine is the song I'm listening in my Walkman now
Yeah.
and thing. And Tony Mataran said, wanna see that? Then the Mariah Carey said, yeah, them a watch BT and Mariah Carey I do the countdown. And she said, what's your #1 song? And she said, well, I would put me, but my favorite artist and my #1 song would be Elephant Man, Pon the River. Where them thing them here talk
Yeah,
about, you
man.
understand? And when we see it, we shock because we never know say this is the thing about. That's how the music powerful. It create that thing that it make your blood run warm. It make you just love it and it just capture your soul. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Sean Paul, Give Me the Light, Shaggy, only came in and caught me red handed.
Yeah, man.
Whole heap of big tune, man. A whole heap of big genre tune out there, man. Yeah, man.
So, as I mentioned that though, Ellie, where you imagine say like them days
Yeah.
would that be like one of the highest? Well, you tell me, where you consider the highest point in a year career?
Yeah, man, them time, the member say, when I come out on the red carpet and Jennifer Lopez run me down and drop on me, I have to take her up, man. I say, oh my God, Elephant, energy God. I mean, this stuff. I just make me know, say, okay, dance all. I just make me know, say, because remember, you know, you have a thing named Lemo.
Yeah.
So, you have red carpet,
Yeah.
white people, Puerto Rican, black, everybody, we don't know them. If you come out of the car, you don't get a scream, that means you're all right.
You don't know nobody.
You're all right. That means you're all right.
Yeah.
When you come out and get a scream, you're a star. All right. When me do so the one day they are chimney like lemon, I say, but they don't know me. Them time they have Pon the River, signal the plane,
Yeah.
I tell you everything will cross. Me and Rihanna, me and Chris Brown. Then you have a thing named Shake That Booty,
Yeah.
Turn It Around,
Wow.
Juke Girl with me and
Yeah, man.
Twista, and when they made them from Atlanta. So, you know, for me do some boom on the car door pull on my forward out. I'm here, I say, yes, dancer, go for them.
Yeah.
I'm say red carpet, I mash up and I step out. Them time they me and Janet Jackson go perform. You see me
Yeah.
and me have my team behind me. That was Atlantic Records. You understand?
yeah.
Because them time they know I signed to VP Atlantic Records. You know,
Right.
so them have the album. My first platinum album.
Yeah, man.
Have my plaque where go platinum worldwide. That are good to go. You understand? Google it,
See
stream
there?
it down, we see what go on. Boom, come out and touch the red carpet and I say, everybody I go crazy. When we do so and I do the interview and I go down now, Jennifer look, Elephant, boop, run, boop. Drop on a long skirt. I mean, I say, come, mama, man. How you do, man? Take time, no Jen. We know how the energy got, but take time, Jen. Cause you know the yellow, half a red.
Yeah.
You know, the ear stand out and we always, that's why I say image is everything.
Yes, man.
So when them see the ear, them say, oh, elephant, man, because them don't see it. Remember, say, Pon the river and the thing, them a lap BT. Give me the light, a lap BT,
Yeah,
Pon the river. And then we do the performance, them. I think my BT performance, I think I do it about 12 times because I go back with Liquor John and Eastside Boy, I go with Busta Rhyme, I go on it with me about 5 times, plus I do them anniversary. Them just keep on coming back for dancehall. Then they do a Caribbean thing on it where you have Calypso and we.
Yeah, man.
That was the last big one. And trust me, yeah, man, so the people, them, from you reach outside full and rare, yeah, so red carpet, and then we go mash up the BT stage with Janet Jackson and forward out and go over there, that interview partner, and then the people, them again, I go create it. So from this, I know me, I say, okay, dancehall, you know? Then now when we reach Jamaica, Usher say, him want me and him go on tour. And the first show is going to be Madison Square Garden.
See it there?
So me, I say, I wonder if them a try trick me.
And a normal something that,
When
you know.
me do so now and fly go, when them send the plane for me, I'm a fly go. When me see a black car pull up, them time the thing them will pick you up now. What them name? Where you call them and them pick you up. What name?
Uber.
Uber. Me see a long time Uber the bus.
Yeah, understand.
Just a bus. If you want to let me go, white man there in a 3-piece jacket suit. Come out, me see a sign. Elephant man.
See
Me say,
that?
yo, white man, yo, my youth, yo, me G, shizzle. I must say, okay, yeah. Elephant, me say, yeah. When me look, them camera go straight to Madison Square Garden. How me know say dancing and dance all around the place?
Yeah.
Is when me reach a Madison Square Garden, I go through the door, Usher rears on the stage. When Usher do so and see me, him say, Elephant man, oh, ready. See me, huh? So me I say, okay.
Really?
So me I say, yeah. No, me know say, yeah. We are reach places and the thing a happen.
Yeah, man,
You know?
man.
Me I say, yeah. We are reach places and the thing a happen and thing, yeah. Me I say, yeah, we are reach places and the thing a happen and yeah, me I say, yeah, you know, that was good the night. And the first time that not Puff Daddy I go meet me.
See it
So
there
Puffy
now.
come and thing and Puffy see the thing and Puffy come heal me up and thing. So Puffy see when me, that night it was me, Usher, Ludacris, Liquor John,
Beer star
Yin
in
Yang
the
Twin
place.
go up one time.
One time.
One time. So you know, say, in the starting me there. And I like some of the right there. So Usher say, yo, I got some special guests. I got to call up some of my friends. Yo, Little John and Little John run out. Yo, Ludacris run out. Then the man them say, Elephant man, when me run out, I say, dance all nice again.
The energy
Remember me
not
not run
come
out with no
man.
pop nothing, you know. Me not run out with no pop nothing. Then
Yeah.
now me go up and film the rhythm. We go #1 on the Billboard. This you know if you do then, dance and take it. So when me draw that and climb up on one box. And me say, turn on the phone light them. When me say turn on the light them on the phone, them and everybody put up them light in the ear. Everybody turn on the cell phone.
Yeah.
Me do so like me, I say, turn on the cell phone. When me I say, turn on the cell phone them. And when me do so, and everybody hold up them cell phone in the ear so and you see the light them and me say, lock off the light in a Madison Square Garden. And this is no Wycliffe seat and take it.
Yeah.
And take the performance from me. Wycliffe say, yo, Ellie man, I gotta borrow that phone light thing, man.
Yeah.
Where you lock off all the lights and that phone light looks so great. And me bring in that.
See it,
Can't
right?
miss a signal the plane, the man don't know that. Come and miss the lock off the light. Turn on the cellular phone them. Dance all nice again.
Yeah, man. That
And
must
the
have been a-
whole Madison Square Garden. And me I create all of them history there. And we have dance all I bring power back. And we have do the thing, you know?
Yeah.
And we never complain, we just do the work and I put in the work. A whole heap of work put in, whole heap of work, whole heap of thing, man. Yeah, man, whole heap of thing, man. Yo, if we thought the amount of things, bro, then when me look now, Janet Jackson send call me. When me look my favorite artist, Mr. R. Kelly come in and I say, boy, yo, I need Elephant Man on this track and I just
See
feel
that?
work, bro. The work just so. Dance out, bro, and nothing for them ramp with, bro. No, but I feel like we think on a Lily thing. We think no Lily.
No,
Yeah, man,
nah,
we think
man,
up,
man,
man,
yeah.
loud. Yeah, man.
But Ellie, me ever thought to you about that stage performance, that stage presence that you have.
Mm-hmm.
Because them climbing thing there and one bag of antics, baby.
Yo.
Listen, hold on them, man. You don't afraid to jump off a bus head when I time them.
No, man, God protect me, man. God protect me. God knows,
Yo.
say, Father God knows, say, when a man a do good, and
Yeah.
a man a entertain people, and I make people feel good,
Yeah.
him a have the angel, them a guide and protect with. I've never dropped before.
Yeah.
And, you know, hope Father God never make it happen. But me just give my fans them 100. You come on Elephant Man show, you're gonna get the whole package. You're gonna get, if you pay $20, you get 30.
Yeah.
When you go home, you go say, yo, me supposed to go in the back some change to the promoter at the gate because that 30 them end up get into that 20. If them pay 30, them might end up get 60. Because when Elephant Man, remember, you know, and me start lift up some woman we about 300 pounds, you know.
Man.
When me there Miami and I do the best, I see one big giant woman come for me, you know. And the first me have to ask a security to lift up her left leg. Because normally me that lift up the 2 leg. When me decide one, me I said, Jesus Christ, that's 2.5. I'm the security, come here now. Help me that one then. And hold her. I want them to lift her up and state and I walk with mama them to energy card. No. And then when my leg go she now, I go up and tap. At the Palladium. Yeah. And them find me with a light there and say, see him there. I say, lock up the light there. Dancer. One time in the New York in a stadium, left side did a plane on my band. Yeah. I was there right near the airport. I was there in a mini stadium because I never know a mini stadium there are Queens.
Right.
And I think a regular Carfish I one of them big show there. And brother, I see a plane go start fly across and left side run from around the band and say, Elephant.
See it there?
And when I see the plane, I say, beep. That was me mad. Me climb up on one place like, I jump on the plane and go catch you wheel them. Dancer, it's over, man, over. That's why them afraid of Energy God, because them know say him, when him go up and show and DJ, it's over. Every one of them afraid of Energy God, because them know when him go up on stage. Remember, you know, Elephant Man and a little joke name where you ramp with, you know, from my foot peep through the plane door, you know. I faint people faint, you know. Now, Ellie man, I also Willie Bunks. I do the tune them way. I also hear that one a war. I also Juke Girl, I also Willie Bunks.
The whole of them, man. The whole of them.
I also Gully. Bro, me never want to say it, man. Come on, man. Tell them stop ramp, man. Stop play around, man. Stop play around, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Stop play around, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, Energy God, man. Mad thing, man. Remember, you know, how we take over the whole foreign with dancing. Yeah. Whole entire foreign. I see people that carry them like a baby in a cold come a Bronx. And I say, Elephant, my little baby, your favorite. I say, oh, the little baby. And them to put on the river. When I say no, and then put on little baby in my one mash. And the baby just start dancing.
No,
say, oh my God. That's how powerful music is.
Yeah, man,
and we have to give God thanks, you know? Yeah, man. Straight, man. Right, that's right there, man. Yeah, man.
But as we even have the levels, the energy levels on stage, Ellie.
Bro.
We know say fitness play a big part in that.
And them time there.
And we don't know if they workout like
no, that me that tell you. That me that tell you. Them time there, me never did a go gym and workout. So imagine if me did a workout them time there gym like no I trouble. Let me just say me I take coke. Let me just say that boy did take coke. Let me just say him if me did a go gym now. If me did a go gym like how me I go gym now. Ladies, you can look and see it, man. See the cut out the ladies, man. You can look and see it, man. The belly flat, man. So, if me did I go gym, like no, when me take that thing as serious, because them time there, we just live and, you know, we just eat some little waste thing and, you know, grab back one midnight burger, but we still go fast food like one chicken sandwich, we got fries and them little thing there. Whenever you used to take drink one liter water serious and natural juice and them thing that's serious, you know? Be sweets and race. So the more you grow, the more you learn, you understand? Yeah, people say to me about them time that we move too fast, but now we start listen, we read more, you know, and more time you're the home, you research something and look for something and say, okay, that good for you, that not good for you, you understand? Yeah, and thing because you can Google everything now, you understand? Look up on your phone and brook. If you don't have the doctor friend to tell you what good for you, or, you know nobody work over the nutrition place there or whatever, you can just Google everything and it tell you and just take care of yourself, you understand? And trust me, gym is good and thing because them time there, we just depend on the move. We don't have no time for ourselves. Right. Yo, where you there, friend? Yo, 300 friend call. Yo, where there, Sabup? You're gone, please, friend. No, you have to have time for yourself now. Gym, put in the time for that. And no, say, me I go gym that time, yeah? After gym studio, we have video shoot, gym again tomorrow. You understand? Put in the time, man. I have to take your health serious. Every artist. We have to take. Bro, let me tell you, I just show me the man, me fit naturally, where them big stage there, me never used to and breathe through my mouth and carry that ear in the mic. Right. So I always practice. Even when me there at gym, the trainer them even pat, yo, breathe. But me I breathe, but them don't know because me I breathe through my nose, me I breathe through my mouth because if I practice to do that, it make me. Yeah, and my work when me do, me can't do that pan. I perform on stage and the pan. I've seen enough dance before, but no, I've seen enough dance before, but you hear me take breath like well, you understand? Yeah, but you're not gonna hear it. So, I do that through my nose, you understand? And them thing that as young artists, them have to practice them thing there, you know? No for inhale and exhale from, you understand? Right, just so. You see me? And chew your nose and thing and them things so you keep it professional and not make the people them hear it. In the mic and them things, then I say, wait, them artists are unfit. Them artists are drop down, them not fit, them not ready. No.
True,
So, you know, to all of the young artists, them will come up, just make sure so you take on the LC up because look, if you do it tune and you want to run the place, and you plan to run the place, when some big show and some big stage come, them are coming up. I hope you can manage it, bro.
You can manage it.
So just take on the LC up because look, if you're not stamina, because first of all, them new generation of picnic have faced it. When them come out and I watch you and say, okay, 5 minutes gone and you're not impress me, come off.
Yeah, man.
You understand? And them start get faced because these little kids, some of them are some little computer genius, the one the father rich, the one they rich already and them just blow out 18, some 17 millionaire and so everybody come out, but music powerful, so it draw out everybody so you know one win a crowd. So just perform to the best of your ability and just stay fit and just do your thing the right way and show them so because as a little youth when me used to go watch artists, you know, and me for Shabba and Ninja Man, them. Yeah. When them man they run out on stage, bro, a problem. And we always try to bring that same energy there. When Shabba them run out here, on stage Shabba wrong, Shabba, him there. And when Shabba them run out and Shabba them talk, want a woman them man and they put in the air and when Ninja Man run out. And stand up on stage for half an hour with him like a walking stick and him glass catch so. Hey him say, honestly they then go again come in. Honestly, they then go and shut up fire for about 2 hours. Yeah, and play the mash up and him not do nothing. All night look, but the image,
right.
The ninja suit, the sword, Shabba, with the pants to the crutches, the down your son, the something that the image where the man them bring, and no shyness, not in a them thing. We think shy boat.
Yeah.
No shyness. So you can't go out there. The worst thing for me, see an artist do is performing for people in front of him and turn around and talk to the bands. Me no want to talk to no bands. The band better.
You come perform.
Listen me, bands man. Try know me did rehearse with you. Me no want to see you back. When the show done me earlier. Yeah. Me no need to look back by you so. Once me see an artist look back and I go so with the band, he might get intimidated. Or he might worry about the forward and the crowd.
Yeah, the people them know.
Look for the people and them know too. Know. Because you see when me I try to show you, you see you say,
yeah,
you know, so I kind of pick up the energy to stop my going with him now. Him now. You understand? No, don't do that, bro.
The next move.
Perform for them, bro. Perform for them. Sometimes, remember, you know, you have mixed crowd. Sometimes, you know, the weekend you go get a crowd where them are real and real. And next time you go get a listening crowd.
Right,
and I see how him perform crowd. And I watch how the artist I go give it an excited show or a listening show or make we see where he made up of or make we see if him have it or make we see if we can go watch him at 10 or 20 more show or, you know, if how far him can bring dancehall to because everybody in a dancehall, them a bring it pan them back and them a bring it as far as them can go. You understand the whole way that we are do. You understand? Music alone shall live. So the whole way of music power back like a knapsack and we are bring it as far. Like when you see the runner them with the button. You understand? Man. Pass the button, give me it. I'm a god. Yo, you hold it. Yo, you understand? So to the best of our ability, man, just do it. Yeah, man.
Real, man. We talk about the whole part, the highs and the high energy though, Ellie, but is there a point in your career where you feel like you're at a all-time, you know, the energy just not dead?
No, never. Never, because you remember, you know, if the energy now go there unless you Papa saying, unless you I go drop it, or you I go come on for that scale there and just start do some different thing, or you get big and fat and lazy, and when people say them, say, no sir, elephant, that him looks a mash up, you understand? And Lord, him, no, you have to maintain your image. That's why I tell you that thirst is nothing, image is everything. Oh, you have to see me, I look like the man around there, so where dip on the roadside, turn up a bun split. You can't come see me and the man with a bun split on roadside 15. You're supposed to see me and say, oh, the youth now 3 chain, an elephant, that him have an elephant chain, him have one nether chain, him have one nether chain, him in a some bracelet, I mean one of the whole of them, they him have 3 ring on him finger, nobody not do that again, them wear one, some people now wear none, plus him have one diamond watch we are plus the ears ring them, you understand? Image is everything, bro. Without the image, it can't work, B. Or people for see we and I say, elephant and Chino. Them don't know elephant from Chino. Them fish say elephant and Chino. Who that side of you? How we artist that? Yes. Image. Something about him. Yeah, bro. We have to keep up the image, bro. You understand? Yeah, man. And that's the thing there. So at the end of the day, image have fit in the thing. You understand? Yeah. That's why when me did on my way forward up and Me not scare them. I say, no, I'm going to dash the dynamic here and I'm going to do something because I want when them see you.
So this so the die thing starts.
Yeah, I say, I want when them see where we stand out. Because remember the competition wicked out there, you know. You see me, you have Buju, you have Killer, you have Praga. Although we are Killer apart, but at the end of the day, you still have to bring something to the table because not true you and the man apart, the man want to do something to help for yourself because me don't push you out.
Right.
Bring something to the table and help yourself. Same like when Killer bring Cartel and Killer know Cartel, bad Cartel now if you just start go studio and just find the rhythm the man, do film thing and help himself. You see me?
Yeah,
so
man.
when Killer can kick back and say, yes, youth, when I really did it, you know, I feel proud. Yeah, man.
For real.
Image have a lot to do with it.